Our customers are operating in a very different environment today. Walk through our shop and you'll see it. The pace of change is built around our customers' needs. New tools, new capabilities, and new ways of repairing parts that didn't exist just a few years ago. One of our major technological changes has been bringing additive manufacturing into engine repair. Our Singapore component repair shop is the first MRO facility in the world to apply direct metal laser melting to directly repair commercial jet engine parts. We started with CF6 blades, and very soon we'll apply it directly to GENX and LEAP.
With additive manufacturing technology, we rebuild parts faster, with less post-processing and uses smaller equipment footprint. It allows us to process more parts per day with higher consistency, so engines can return to service sooner for higher reliability for our customers.
But additive is just one piece of innovation happening across our site. From automation and advanced repair processes to digital inspection technologies, every upgrade helps us improve precision, reduce variation, and strengthen the durability of the engines we support.
In our blade shop, we are transforming how we repair complex components by thoughtfully introducing advanced manufacturing technologies. For example, we are replacing high-pressure turbine blade tip manual welding with advanced auto laser welding. And on low-pressure turbine blades, we are replacing ergonomically challenging manual twisting with robotic twisting. These systems improve precision and productivity, while opening new upscaling pathways for our technicians.
We're also investing to accelerate this momentum. Last year, a major part of our $75 million MRO investment in the Asia-Pacific region is focused here in Singapore, expanding our capacity, advancing repair technologies, and transforming our plant at Seletar Aerospace Park into a state-of-the-art technology incubator. All these efforts are helping us to bring new repairs to life faster, strengthen aviation resilience in the region, and support customers with greater depth and speed. Every innovation we invest in, from additive manufacturing to advanced repair technologies, is driven by what matters most to our customers, keeping their fleets flying safely, longer, and with stronger performance.